Hi guys, welcome back to Fizzyliluelle. Today I'm going to be doing a slime pet peeve video with my slime. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you get notified every time once in a while we post a new video. When you can't even see the slime. When the slime is way too sticky. When all the foam beads come out. Ugh. Just not taking the slime out and just leaving it there.
Will you remember me in a year?
I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I'll be posting one next week, so bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. All the background noises.